Hello guys, this is Casey and I'll be showing you a market breakdown on US30 sell. So for today, I'll be making reference to the sell that occurred here on US30. Now, why did I sell US30 all the way to this low? Why did I sell US30 all the way to this low? Very simple. Based on how I trade, I had an absorption within my passive and my aggressors. Now, what is a passive? A passive are orders that have been formed already. Okay, why the aggressors are the current price movement. Okay, aggressors are the current price movement. So I have here as sorry, I have here as my passive order. So over here, I have this as my passive order, and right here, I have this as my aggressor's order. So the coordinates over here were fully diverging with the other coordinates over here. That is, my passive were fully diverging with my what? My aggressors, which signify to me that this low right here is a liquidity. And what caused the liquidity? Liquidity was caused or was formed by monthly coordinates. Okay, was caused by monthly coordinates. So M plus signifies monthly buyers, M minus signifies monthly sellers. This signifies monthly buyers and this signifies monthly sellers. Okay, so since they fully diverge, that already signaled to me that this low right here is liquidity. So all I needed to do was to wait for what? A market structure shift. All I needed to do next was to wait for what? A market structure shift. Now, if you check, if I zoom further, right here, you will notice that when price was creating higher highs and higher lows, we had something like this higher high, we had something like this higher low, we had price create something like this again, failed to create a new high, and then we had a what? A break of structure. Okay, so the moment price failed to create a new high over here signified to me that, oh, most likely we have gotten a what? We have gotten a market what? A market structure shift. So let me do that again. So I had a higher high, higher low, higher high. Then right here, this was higher low. Price failed to create a new high. Then price broke structure. The break of this low signified what? A BOS for me. Okay, this signified a BOS for me. So that means that the moment price pulls back up, then definitely I can get an entry around this what? This base area. All right, so this was a very simple approach, and this was how I was able to navigate a sell on US30. Now, you might want to ask, what happened over here? What happened over here? Now, this right here is just more like a consolidation, which is indirectly telling you that price wants to continue until price takes out the what? The liquidity. Why? All sell movements must be complete before a reversal will happen, and also all buy movements must be complete before any form of reversal will happen. Okay, so it means that range structure continues until price gets to a higher time frame demand or supply level that is capable of causing a pullback or what? A reversal. All right, so this right here is just simply what? A redistribution in price. This is a what? A redistribution in price. Telling you that price wants to continue until price takes out this what? External low right here. Okay, so I'm going to show my entry and how I navigated the trade. You'll see it somewhere around here in the video. Okay, so as easy as that. So all I just did was the trade was taken based on what? My absorption within my passive and my aggressors. Then all I needed to do was to wait for a market structure shift, and then I engaged in the sell until price took out the external low. So this is a very simple approach that you can use and you can apply. Definitely you are going to see more progress in it. And also the trade was shared with my Telegram community and also with my mentees. So you can always check my bio to join my free Telegram channel so you can learn more about how I trade. And in subsequent videos, I'm going to lay more emphasis into the passive, into the aggressors, into M plus, M minus, and these things you are seeing in my charts. I'm going to explain further. Okay, so stick close, share the video, like the video, and see you on the next one.